Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Maypen, so we're going to take a look at the Millennium Mall, and that is the mall on the right. It's a massive structure. However, not sure what the plan was when they were building this mall, but it is what we call an epic failure. The mall is literally empty. You have a few stores at the front, but one entire section of the mall is empty. Literally, when I say empty, I mean no stores. They've actually taped off a section of the mall. And the stores that are occupied at the front, closer to the supermarket, they have few customers. This mall it doesn't follow the formula for a successful mall at all. They built it at a wrong location. To the left of us is Maypen, one of the busiest towns in Jamaica. But this section of Maypen is not that busy. There is one housing development or one neighborhood, but not as it's not built in a populated area. Maypen, if they had built it in the town of Maypen, it would have been a completely different story. But this is a massive mall. It's huge. I don't know if there's that kind of space in Maypen. And then the mall has been open for about 4 or 5 years now, and they never had a supermarket in it. Can you imagine? They did not have a supermarket. However, about a few weeks ago, Select Grocers opened up, so we're going to take a look to see if that makes any difference. And the third thing you need for a successful plan, you have to have food stores. Now they have Popeyes over there, but inside the mall there was a food court. There are no stores. All those food stores, I don't know if they ever opened or what, but they're not there now because the mall just doesn't have a lot of traffic. Alright, so we're going to drive through the mall now. Can we enter here? I think we can. But we're going to enter from the supermarket entrance, the main entrance, so we can see exactly what's going on. So the three things: you need a brand name supermarket, you need to build it in a populated area, and you need food stores. This mall did not follow that formula. Maybe they thought it was so big that they would just have so many stores that persons would come, but well, that man is telling us to go along. I wonder if he realized we are on the roundabout. We have the right of way. He's supposed to stop. But nonetheless, we'll work with it. Alright, so we're now going to turn in. Now, if we go straight, we go onto Highway 2000. And I have to wonder if they built this mall here because of the highway. That's what they were thinking. But it is very far from the town center. Alright. Select Grocers now open. There is a sign, Millennium Mall. It was built by Sagicor. And here on the left now is the supermarket. Okay, the camera didn't pick it up, but when you look inside the mall, empty, not one person. Straight ahead, that building, that's actually or Sagicor Bank. They were going to open a branch here, but they've put that on hold. So straight ahead is the Popeyes. I think that's, they probably have one other restaurant inside, but Popeyes is the main one outside. So this entire section of the mall is closed. Literally, nobody has occupied this side of the mall.